How to change default notes account on iPhone. Here's how to change the default notes account on your iPhone. First, open the Settings app on your iPhone. Scroll down and tap on Apple Notes. Next, tap Default Account. Here, you'll see the Notes accounts available on your iPhone. On my device, only iCloud is available. If you have iCloud or other accounts enabled for Notes, they'll appear here too. Select the account you want to use as your default. Simply tap the account you want to use as your default. A check mark will appear next to your selected account, and the change is saved automatically. From now on, every new note you create will be saved to that account, unless you choose a different folder manually. And that's it. You've successfully changed the default Notes account on your iPhone. Thanks for watching. If this tutorial helped, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more iPhone tips, tricks, and how-to tutorials.